Hello, good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use copyright free videos. You can use these videos in your YouTube channel or for your business or for advertising campaigns. Okay, let's get started. Search for stock vid stock videos, and then you can click on this pexels.com videos, and immediately you will see such website. Here you can search like teamwork or like office, then press enter. Okay, you'll get all the videos related to office. You can use any of these. You will not get copyright, and these are free to use. Okay. Okay, if I want um, this video, look, here it's written free to use. Okay, let's see the video. And now to download the video, press download this video and then choose any of this. I'll choose the highest one, this one. Then click on start download. Your video will be downloaded, and you can use this for any of your purpose. You can use this on your YouTube video or for your business promotional videos, or for any other work. Thank you.